model featured in this workshop is the Beautiful Shay Forde. We pulled up to the studio at 9 a.m. and Shay had already made the 3-hour trip up to meet us. The makeup was being applied on time. The wardrobe was fantastic. The theme was an Egyptian workshop. I had 2 different sets for shooting, and Shay looked absolutely stunning. And with all that out of the way, here's the intro. Egypt has always fascinated us with its history and its wonder. I wanted to recreate the wonder and beauty of it through my themed workshop. I got together with Shay and really worked out the details of our workshop. Together, we came up with some wonderful ideas and put them all together. From the gold makeup, to the tattoos, to Shay's wardrobe and my Egyptian backgrounds, everything turned out awesome. Everyone who attended the workshops loved the sets. And as being displayed here, Shay was enjoying the costumes as well. Everyone got the shots that they wanted. Everyone had a great time. Now it was time to pack up, call it a successful workshop, and head home for the day. Hey, CJ Tomlin here. We just finished up my Egyptian themed workshop with the Beautiful Shay Forde. We had 2 great sets. We had lots of one-on-ones. We had 2 hours of shooting where everybody got to individually shoot Shay. It was great. We overdid the smoke a little bit, but the smoke shots came out great as well. Shay, what did you think of it?
It was an absolutely wonderful workshop. If you need a workshop, definitely reach out to CJ. Wonderful host.
All right, guys, you're going to see all the links at the bottom at the end of this YouTube video. That's where you can find the beautiful and great Shaylin Forde. Find her link on there. Go check her out. Hook up with her as a model next time you need a gorgeous model. Have a great day.